Synchronizing your Azure directory with Identity as a Service. From the Getting Started wizard, select Sync Users. In the Directories list, select the plus and select Azure Directory. A pop-up appears requesting authorization to connect to your Azure Active Directory. Select Authorize. Select Have an Admin account, sign in with that account, and sign in with your Azure AD account. You are redirected to the Microsoft Permissions page. The Permissions page lists all the permissions needed for Identity as a Service to import users and groups from your Azure Active Directory. Click Accept. You are redirected to the Add Directory page. Enter a directory name to identify your Azure Active Directory. In the Group Filters field, enter the name of the group that you want to filter. For example, enter Sales to sync all users in the Sales department. By default, all groups are synchronized. In the Synchronization section, select the groups that you want to add to Identity as a Service. Only groups with users synced to Identity as a Service are created. Azure AD synchronization occurs automatically every 8 hours. The user desynchronization policy determines what happens to user accounts in Identity as a Service that are no longer found in the directory or no longer match the filters. In the Attributes Mapping section, map the user attributes to the Azure AD attributes. The mandatory system attributes are flagged with an asterisk. Click Add to add the directory. When synchronization completes, the new directory appears on the Directories List page. A check mark appears in the Connection Status column to indicate that Identity as a Service has successfully connected to your Azure AD. Click the synchronization details to view. Expand the sync results. Notice that 17 users were added. Returning to the dashboard, the users list now reflects the added users. There is now another directory defined, and the Sync Users tile is completed. Click on Users to view the new users added. In the list of users, those newly imported will have a source of directory. Please see our library of support content or contact our world-class support team any time of the day, no matter where you are, for more immediate assistance.